Yo mga te, welcome back sa channel ng mga pagod, pero cute pa din. So night before our flight to Labuan Bajo, bored na bored si kuya, so ayan, nag-decide magpagupit kasi daw fresh dapat pag island life. So ayun, pinagbigyan ko after haircut, sabi niya punta daw kami sa mall kasi gusto niya daw na makita ko yung snow. Hindi ako naman, si Uto-Uto, sumama. Turns out, pang kids pala yung snow experience, so ayun, nag-shopping na lang kami sandali. Tapos, after shopping, dahil bored pa rin, ayun, nagpunta kami sa time zone. Alam mo yung competitive kaming pareho, pero walang price. Ganun kami, parang Olympics na walang sense. So, the next morning, quick breakfast lang, then let's go. Kasi kung hindi, baka maiwan na naman kami sa airport at ayoko maging reason ng init ng ulo ng kasama ko. So, ito na. Dito na kami sa Domestic Bali Airport. Alam mo yung every trip, super excited ako sa flight. Tapos siya, parang pinilit lang magbakasyon. Kaya kung makikita nyo, pinapauna ko siya lagi para hindi kami sabay mainit ulo habang naglalakad. Baka kasi masira vibes ko, alam mo yan. Ako chill lang, taking pics, nagpa-vlog siya, Mr. Grumpy Walking Edition. So ayun, kahit ganun siya, mainitin yung ulo. Sinabi niya sa akin, may VIP lounge daw siyang kinuha para sa amin dalawa. So ito yung makikita mo. So, naka-aircon dito, may buffet food, unlimited soft drinks, maybe meron ding beer, may wifi, charging station, shower room, praying room, smoking room, and comfort room. And ito yung mga food choices nila sa buffet, guys. So, sa mga interested or nagtatanong how to access and magkano yung cost ng VIP lounge, first, dapat may boarding pass ka na, domestic flight or international flight. Then, pangalawa, go through check-in and security, then locate lounge in domestic departure, second floor near gate 6. And third, yung cost. Good news, you can access the Blue Sky Premier Lounge domestic from $20 in Bali Domestic Airport. So that costs about 1,300 pesos. So even if our flight is just 1 hour, it was totally worth it to chill and reset before boarding. Okay guys, boarding na tayo. Excited na for Labuan Bajo. Approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes yung travel time. Tada! We are here. Airport pickup is ready. We got a car waiting to take us to our hotel. Finally, we're checking in at the local collection hotel and wow, just in time for sunset. Guys, look at this view. Sunset vibes are insane. Feels like we're just teleported to Greece. Like where's my fetishes in Santorini white walls? Huwag nyo nakapansinin dyan guys, mapula na yung mukha ko. So stay tuned for our hotel room tour coming up next. See ya!